The Federal Executive Council FEC don approve the new Action Plan 2022-2026 for the promotion and protection of human rights for Naija. The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, wey brief Tori pipo for State House for the weekly meeting of the council wey President Muhammadu Buhari chair on Wednesday for Abuja, tok say the approval follow the Buhari administration compliance with National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) judgment and payment of 135 million compensation for victims or families of the September 18, 2013 Apple 6 killings. The report for the committee na for the protection of journalists, as Naija na the only African country where they follow the law for protection of rights for journalists.
The administration of President Muhammadu Buhari has established a record of being the first and the only administration in history of Nigeria that has indeed tolerated, accommodated, and enforced decision of the Human Rights Commission. With those local and international successes in mind, the need had now arisen for Nigeria to indeed consolidate on the gains and upscale its position from a local observance of the protection of the human right to international standard by way of ensuring compliance with the best practices. It is for the purpose of establishing a point that Nigeria is no longer operating at a local scale in terms of the observance and promotion of human rights, but indeed of scaling its international observance to international best practices as far as the promotion and protection of human rights is concerned.
The Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, Kontok say the Buhari administration finished well and say they get confidence as it took months for the projects where they go so hand over to federal government.
We can very confidently and proudly announce that the Kano-Zaria road, the 137 kilometer, and the Zaria-Kaduna 73 kilometer will be handed over to us on the 15th of May. Ditto, the second Naija bridge will be handed over to us on the 15th of May. The Lagos-Ibadan toll gate to toll gate, 116 kilometer, will be handed over to us on April 30th. Local Owoto Bridge is also completed. So also is the Ecom Bridge completed. Federal secretariats in Nasarawa, Oka, Bayelsa, and Zamfara states are also completed.
From TMC TV Radio Studio, A. Carter, Ojay Sele, TMC TV News.